Hey guys, I'm very excited to introduce to you Barely Built Right's newest project vehicle, the Tracker.
Turn up the bass!
This is my 2000 Chevy Tracker. It's got a 2.0 four-cylinder engine in it. Right now with an automatic transmission, that will change later. And it's only two-wheel drive, but despite being only two-wheel drive, we've been out here at the Croom trails in Florida today, thrashing around, doing some hill climbs, going down some trails, and I've been very impressed with what we've been able to get through and things I've been able to go over and across. So, with that said, let's go ahead and take a look around the vehicle. I'm going to show you some of the things I've already done to it since buying it, and what I'm going to do to it going forward. So let's take a peek and see what we got in store.
High on a rocky ridge in Bohemia stands an imposing castle, surrounded by a labyrinth of streets. Luckily, there's the agile and durable all-new Chevy Tracker.
Let's take a look at some of the features and some of the things I've already done. It's got a little truck bed and a back seat. Headrest optional, and a high-tech security system. And a radio. Check out this smoked third brake light. It's got a busted door handle. I took these ugly moldings off. I painted the bumpers. Front bumper too. I painted the wheels and the calipers. Check out this power adder. It's got a kid carrier. Jokes aside, there are a lot of plans that I have for this thing. I want to make it a very capable little off-roader. I want to convert it to a 5-speed manual. Eventually I want to put the 4-wheel drive in it. And I also want to make a bunch of custom stuff for this to make it my own. I want to make custom running boards, side steps for the sides. I want to make a matching front and rear bumper for it. I'm going to put a 2-inch lift on it. I'm going to end up putting different tires, maybe different wheels as well on there. We'll see what I end up with. So be sure to like.
Turn up the bass!
So be sure to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more, and you can follow along with the progress on the Tracker. Also, we are looking for a name for this thing. I haven't quite decided what to call it. We've got a few different ideas. Maybe the Slacker, Track Record. Maybe you can come up with something better. If you have a good name for our little Chevy Tracker here, feel free to leave it in the comments below, and we will definitely pick the best one out of the bunch.